Okay, so to solve this equation, we're going to be using this formula. In this case, v is how fast it takes for the planet to orbit around the sun. The time is how long it takes for the planet to orbit around the sun. And the radius is the average distance from the planet slash star slash anything to the sun. Okay, so first of all, we need to identify our variables. So first of all, we have r, which is 1.5 times 10 to the power of 11 meters. Next, we have the time, which is 365 days. But we cannot use days since that's not an SI unit, so we have to convert this to seconds. Okay, so 365 days converted to seconds is 31,536 seconds. Okay, but since this is a really long number, let's just convert this again to 3.1536 times 10 to the power of 7. Since we have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers that we don't want, we all put this into the exponent here. So this is 10 to the times the power 10 to the power of 7. Okay, so now let's do the equation. So v is equal to 2 pi times 1.5 times 10 to the power of 11 divided by 3.15. I'm just gonna stop here, times 10 to the power of 7. So first of all, let's focus on the top with 2 pi and 1.5. So first of all, we need to multiply pi by 2, which is 6.28 times 1.5 times 10 to the power of 11 divided by this. And then now we just need to multiply this and this. We can ignore this because we need to save this for later. 6.28 times 1.5 is 9.42 times 10 to the power of 11, still divided by 3.15 times 10 to the power of 7. So then now that we are at this stage of the equation, we can now proceed to dividing. So first of all, let's just divide these two numbers first. So 9.42 divided by 3.15 is 2.99. And then now let's move on to this. So as always, division with exponents mean that you need to minus the exponent. So 11 minus 7 is 4. So now we have the final answer, 2.99 times 10 to the power of 4.